Imagine this. Two people earn the exact same salary. One retires with over $1 million. The other struggles to pay basic bills. What made the difference? It wasn't luck. It wasn't a higher salary. It was one simple decision they made years earlier. That decision was using a 401k wisely. If you've ever wondered what a 401k is, how it works, or whether you should use one, this video will explain everything in simple English. Let's begin. What is a 401k? A 401k is a retirement savings plan offered by many employers in the United States. Instead of spending all of your paycheck, you choose to save and invest part of it for the future. The money is usually deducted automatically from your paycheck. This makes it easier to save consistently. Because the money is invested, it has the potential to grow over time. Why is a 401k so popular? Millions of Americans use a 401k because it helps them prepare for retirement. One of the biggest advantages is that you don't have to remember to save every month. Your contributions happen automatically through payroll. This makes saving simple and consistent. Over many years, those regular contributions can grow through long-term investing. How does a 401k work? Let's look at a simple example. Imagine your monthly salary is $4,000. You decide to contribute 10% of your paycheck. That means $400 is automatically placed into your 401k. Each month, your retirement savings continue to grow as you keep contributing. Many people find this easier than trying to save whatever money is left over at the end of the month. Now let's talk about employer matching. One of the biggest benefits of many 401k plans is the employer match. For example, if your employer matches contributions up to 5% of your salary and you contribute that amount, your employer also contributes. This helps your retirement account grow faster. If your employer offers a match, contributing enough to receive the full match is often considered a smart financial decision. In the next part, we'll talk about tax advantages, investment options, compound growth, common mistakes beginners should avoid, and practical tips for beginners. Now let's talk about one of the biggest reasons people use a 401k, tax benefits. With a traditional 401k, your contributions are generally made before federal income tax. This can reduce your taxable income today. However, when you withdraw money during retirement, those withdrawals are generally taxed as ordinary income. Some employers also offer a Roth 401k. With a Roth 401k, you contribute money after paying taxes today. If you meet the rules, qualified withdrawals in retirement can be tax-free. Which option is better depends on your personal situation, income, and future tax expectations. Where is your money invested? The money in your 401k is not automatically invested in one place forever. Most plans let you choose from different investment options. These include index funds, mutual funds, bond funds, and target date funds. If you're a beginner, a target date fund can be a simple choice. It automatically adjusts its investment mix as you get closer to retirement. Before choosing any investment, make sure you understand the risks and the fees involved. Now let's understand the power of compound growth. Imagine two friends, Alex and Ben. Alex starts investing at the age of 25. Ben waits until the age of 35. Even if Ben invests more money every month, Alex may still end up with more money at retirement. Why? Because Alex's investments had more time to grow. This is the power of compound growth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to potentially earn returns, and those returns can also generate additional returns over time. Let's look at some common mistakes beginners should avoid. Waiting too long to start investing. Not contributing enough to receive the full employer match, taking money out early, which can lead to taxes and penalties, selling investments every time the market goes down because of fear, and never reviewing or updating your investment choices as your goals change. Avoiding these mistakes can make a big difference over the long term. Let's wrap everything up. A 401k is not a shortcut to becoming rich overnight. It is a long-term savings and investment tool designed to help you prepare for retirement. The key habits are simple. Start as early as you can, contribute consistently, understand your investment options, review your plan from time to time, and stay focused on your long-term goals. If you're unsure which investments or contribution level are right for you, consider reviewing your plan documents or speaking with a qualified financial professional. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more easy-to-understand personal finance videos. I'll see you in the next one.